Having analyzed the results of its activities over the past year, the management of our company decided to conduct an advertising campaign. As part of our marketing strategy, we plan to start producing our popular product, Phyto Tea in granules, in a new filter paper bag measuring 6 by 7 centimeters, and packaged in red plastic bags. We have been engaged in manufacturing biopreparations for 20 years, all the time mastering new products. The main criteria of the search were, firstly, the equipment should be fully automated, bag feeding, seam welding, trimming. Secondly, the machine control should be simple and clear. The machine was planned to be placed in the assembly and packing shop. It was planned to use filter paper for tea production. As a technologist, I understand that at all stages of production, it is important to comply with the requirements for pharmaceuticals. Humidity level, room temperature. In pharmaceutical production, it is necessary to carry out analytical quality control of raw materials, finished products. We must use quality equipment to meet the requirements of the hygienic services. Therefore, I approached the issue of choosing automatic equipment for tea packaging in the filter bags with all seriousness. The solution to the difficult problem, I started with the most popular way, a search on the internet. I understood that there are no hopeless situations, so I continued looking for a solution. I found similar equipment for tea packaging from 3 Chinese manufacturers. I contacted them by phone. Managers of the companies I chose did not answer me. Can their machine seal seams? Cut the bags automatically? Will it produce 2,000 bags per hour? When can I get a finished machine? To all of these questions I heard the phrase, "We'll do it." One company started talking to me in Chinese, and I ended the conversation. As a result, I concluded that I cannot choose the equipment for packaging tea pellets on my own, and decided to turn to a specialist. I needed a professional who would give me complete information about the machine, its capabilities, test the equipment with our material, talk about delivery terms. It was initially decided not to consider Chinese intermediaries, because often manufacturers from China have their own direct representatives. I did not want to go through this stage all over again, and decided to turn to Russian intermediaries for help. I made the choice of a specialist, based on the following criteria: long period of work in the market of pharmaceutical equipment sales, positive customer feedback, the availability of information on the company's website, and convenient terms of delivery of the machine. According to these parameters, I selected 4 companies. After sending an email request to all of them, I didn't get any answer from 2 of them. One company warned me that they don't have their own adjuster, and that I would have to install the equipment myself. This option did not suit me. Only one manager from Moscow was able to quickly give me competent and constructive answers to my questions. I also liked the business-like approach of this specialist. The manager of this company was polite, asked a lot of clarifying questions about the required capacity of the equipment, what material we use for packaging, the desired size of tea bags. After preliminary consultations by phone, the specialist suggested a tea bagging machine and an envelope packaging machine. I have coordinated this option with the management of our company, and we have signed a contract for the delivery of the chosen machine. During the whole period of manufacturing, I received an email report on the readiness of my order. When the tea packaging machine was made, the manager sent a video of the equipment, tested on our raw material. The filter paper for the bags is wound on a reel and goes to the tea bagger. The machine forms a tea envelope. Transparent polyethylene film for packaging an envelope of tea is wound on a reel and arrives for packaging. Tea bags with a label are dumped into the funnel. Prepared for packaging tea is loaded into the storage hopper. Dosage of portions is made by volumetric method. Filter paper forms a bag in which our tea is loaded. Nylon thread to reinforce the tea bag label is unwound from a spool, installed in the right lower part of the machine. A separate reel is installed to form the paper label. We receive the tea bag in a transparent package with our trademark. My order was delivered within the contracted delivery time. The machine was made of stainless steel. Within 2 weeks of receiving the equipment, we were able to install it, set it up, and train an employee. As a result, we got the Phyto Tea in filter packs into production in just 4 months. Perhaps I would not have gotten such an excellent result in such a short time if I had gone all the way to select the equipment myself. The experience showed that the decision to ask for help from a professional in choosing automatic equipment for packing tea in filter bags was right. After talking to a real professional, I got a bit smarter myself, learned a lot, and am absolutely sure that a good teacher is the one whose words match the deeds. I checked it on my own experience.